Hi guys, today I'm going to be trying Lenny and Larry's The Complete Cookie Snickerdoodle. I tried their chocolate chip one already, but I have not tried the Snickerdoodle, so let's give it a try. I had put it in the refrigerator overnight just to firm it up a little bit. It looks pretty standard. Smells nice. Definitely you can smell the cinnamon right off the bat. It has a nice taste. Very snickerdoodly. Snickerdoodly. The texture is very similar to the chocolate chip one in that it gets soft very quickly in your mouth. Almost doughy-ish in a way. With the cinnamon, I don't mind it actually. I didn't care for it in the chocolate chip version, but for the Snickerdoodle, I can handle it, yep. So yeah, I would get the Snickerdoodle version of this again. And I would recommend it to others because this is a tasty cookie. And it's vegan. And no GMO. It's even kosher. Alright guys, I'm gonna look to see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll put a link below. Let me know if you're a fan of Snickerdoodle cookies, or if you've never tried a Snickerdoodle flavor before. Let me know that you haven't tried it in the comment section below. And if you've tried this specific Lenny and Larry's, let me know that as well down below in the comment section. Alright guys, I'm going to finish my cookie. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.